Today, I'm kicking off something really exciting, a brand new video series on my channel called Designer Spotlight. In this series, I'll be highlighting some amazing crochet designers that I genuinely think more people need to know about. Whether you're looking for your next project, discovering new patterns to try, or just want to be inspired by creative makers in the fiber arts world, this series is for you. Now, let's just be real for a second. I can't crochet or knit fast enough to keep up with all the gorgeous designers out there. I know y'all feel me on that too. But just because I haven't made a piece doesn't mean that I'm not constantly saving patterns, dreaming about new projects, or admiring the work of others. That's why I created this series, to share designers whose work inspires me and to give you a curated list of patterns I'd 100% make if I had the time. Every episode in this series will feature up to 10 crochet patterns from one designer, all carefully selected based on wearability and that special creative spark. Since most of my audience is filled with crochet lovers, I'll make sure that each featured designer has at least crochet patterns in their catalog. As knitters, don't worry because some designers might do both crafts, so be sure to check the links in the description box below to find something more your speed. So to kick off this series, come on, I had to start with the designer who's inspired me the most over the years, Alexandra Tavel, the creative genius behind Two of Wands. Two of Wands is one of those names that always comes up when people talk about modern crochet and minimalist knitwear. Since launching her brand in 2014, Alexandra has been designing pieces that are simple, sophisticated, and striking. She has this amazing way of making beginner-friendly patterns that still look high-end and wearable. Whether you're into oversized shawls, cozy sweaters, boho bags, or stylish summer tops, her pattern library has something for everyone. What makes her work stand out for me is the balance between practicality and beauty. Her designs are rooted in her Midwest upbringing, think functional, approachable, everyday wear, but they're also influenced with the edge and elegance of New York City, where she's lived for over a decade. Plus, her background in fashion design and costume construction means that the fit and the shape of her pieces are always on point. She draws inspiration from nature, world travel, history, and culture, and you can see that in every single stitch. Her patterns tell a story, not just visually, but emotionally. You can feel the intention behind every single piece in her catalog. And whether you're working with yarn for relaxation or to build a handmade wardrobe, her designs make you feel like a fiber artist, not just a hobbyist. Alexandra has collaborated with some of the biggest names in the yarn world, and I have to mention her yarn lines with Lion Brand, Color Theory, and Hue and Me, which will both be linked in the description box below. It's clear that her brand Two of Wands has made a huge impact in the fiber arts community, and I'm just thrilled to get to share some of her patterns with you today. Whether you're a complete beginner just learning the basic stitches or a more experienced maker looking for a wearable challenge, her designs meet you where you are. That's what I love so much about Alexandra's work. She makes stylish modern crochet feel doable even if you're still figuring things out. And for those of us who've been crafting for a while, her patterns are still fun and satisfying to work through. They're never overcomplicated just for the sake of it. Just beautiful, well-written, and thoughtfully designed projects that you actually want to wear or gift. Now, since Alexandra is one of my favorite designers, you know I had to make some of her patterns already. So yes, I've completed a few of her designs and they absolutely live up to the hype. So far, I've made the willow lace vest, the daybreak crochet tapestry, the mariner's cap, and finally, let's talk about the campsite waffle stitch cardigan. Because y'all remember this one. This is the cozy, chunky cardigan everyone kept commenting on and asking for the link to, even though it had absolutely nothing to do with the video I was filming. But my bad, I am so sorry. I should have known better than to gatekeep this cuteness. Two of Wands is the kind of designer who makes you fall back in love with your craft. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly crochet pattern, modern knitwear designs, or just some new pattern inspiration to add to your queue, you need to check her out. Now, let's get into the meat of today's video. 10 patterns I would make from Two of Wands if I had the time. I'll give you a quick intro to each one. If you're looking for a crochet bag pattern that blends fashion-forward style with practical everyday function, the Ludlow basket bag is the one. The Ludlow basket bag gives you that downtown it girl aesthetic with the high-end feel. Thanks to the use of Hot Stitch's faux fiber yarn, it's bold, matte, and luxurious without sacrificing comfort or durability. Whether you're headed to the office, running errands, or styling it up for brunch, this structured crochet bag is built to keep up with your day. The construction is tight and sturdy, giving the finished bag real structure. No floppiness in sight. It holds its shape beautifully and makes a big statement without being too complicated to crochet. This project is perfect for confident beginners or intermediate crocheters who want to try their hand at functional crochet accessories that doesn't look handmade in the traditional sense. Whether you're making your first crochet bag or adding it to your handmade accessory collection, the Ludlow basket bag pattern is a standout piece that's equal parts chic and useful. It's giving cool girl meets handmade soul, and I'm totally obsessed. If you're looking for a crochet project that blends cozy texture with timeless style, the library wrap is the one you need to add to your queue. This elegant crochet blanket scarf pattern is designed for those days when you want to look effortlessly put together, even if you're just throwing it over a basic outfit. Whether you're heading to a cafe, bundling up for a walk in the park, or as the name suggests, spending quiet time in a library, this wrap right here is a vibe. It's soft, structured, and gives your outfit that intentional, layered look with minimal effort. The design features rows of textured stitches that build upon one another, symbolizing books and stories stacked high on the shelves. If you're a book lover or just appreciate thoughtful design, this pattern will speak to your soul. It's a perfect blend of fashion and storytelling through crochet. If you're looking for a modern crochet blanket that combines visual impact with meditative stitching, the modular crochet quilt might be your next favorite project. This isn't your grandma's quilt, though it does honor the same handmade legacy. The modular crochet quilt is a fresh, modern take on the classic log cabin quilt. Using a modular construction that keeps the project interesting from start to finish, each section is made up of individual blocks using simple double crochet stitches, then joined together creating a statement piece that's equal parts cozy and chic. What makes this pattern shine is its quality-inspired layout. Thick, clean lines, bold shapes, and sophisticated color combinations that elevate your living space. It's the kind of throw blanket that you'll want to display over your couch, drape on the end of your bed, or even gift to someone who appreciates thoughtful handmade designs. The color combo alone is enough to make you drool, but when you work up the geometric quilt design, it's next level. Whether you're going for modern boho, cozy minimalist, or eclectic farmhouse, this crochet throw blanket is incredibly versatile. I mentioned before that I'm in a bit of a blanket phase, and this pattern might be right up my alley. Listen, the Claudia top by Two of Wands is the perfect blend of fun, funky, and functional, and I need this in my life. My husband and I have been talking about planning a cold weather getaway, maybe an Alaskan cruise or a cozy cabin trip to Colorado, and I just know this colorful crochet sweater would be the ultimate vacation pullover. This pattern is inspired by Claudia from the Babysitters Club, and it totally channels that same fearless energy. It's designed with a grid-like open stitch pattern that keeps it light and drapey, but it still has that cozy vibe to it thanks to the bulky weight yarn. So you get the style and the warmth without overheating indoors. It's perfect for layering over a long sleeve shirt or turtleneck, especially in snowy mountain settings. So if you've been dreaming for a chunky crochet sweater that's cute enough for vacation photos but cozy enough for sipping cocoa by the fire, the Claudia top is it. Add it to your queue and thank me later. Wraps are something I do not make enough of. I rarely think to crochet one, and when I need one for a chilly evening out or church or a wedding or just running errands in the fall, I never have one ready to go. That's why the Vista wrap by Two of Wands instantly caught my eye. This isn't just a wrap, it's a wearable meditation. This pattern is designed to represent your favorite vista, whether it's a peaceful view from your home, a memory of a dream destination, or just a calming space in your mind. With its simple stitches, soft texture, and easy to follow construction, this is the kind of project that feels just as relaxing to make as it does to wear. So if you've been sleeping on wraps like I have, this might be your sign to add one to your wardrobe. The Vista wrap is easy, elegant, and endlessly wearable, a statement piece that will make you wonder why you didn't make one sooner. Like I mentioned, blankets are my current obsession. There's something so satisfying about wrapping up in a cozy handmade throw after a long day. And I love when the designer does the hard work for me, like picking the perfect yarn colors. So all I have to do is crochet and enjoy the process. That's exactly why the Elizabeth blanket by Two of Wands speaks to me. This is a modern take on a classic zigzag afghan, but with a fresh twist. The stripes are meandering and uneven, which gives it an elegant, artsy feel that will elevate any room in your home. This pattern is perfect whether you want a stylish couch throw to cozy up in your living space or a thoughtful, soft baby blanket to gift. It's simple enough to work up while you're watching your favorite show, but it looks complex and high-end when it's finished. The perfect combination for intermediate crocheters or ambitious beginners. If you're looking for an easy crochet blanket pattern that looks modern, stylish, and feels comforting, this is definitely one to add to your queue. I love a good crochet dress, and let me tell you, the Queen of the Night maxi dress is absolutely stunning. If you want to impress someone with your crochet skills, make a dress. Trust me, I've done it many times and it never gets old. This maxi dress is a showstopper that combines elegance, style, and a touch of sexy all in one. This gorgeous pattern features a full-length lace skirt that flows beautifully, paired with a flattering cutout bodice that adds just the right amount of intrigue. The best part is that the lace-up back makes it fully adjustable and super comfortable, so you can feel confident and chic no matter where you wear it. Whether you're aiming for a chic, summer event, or just want to add timeless pieces to your handmade collection, the Queen of the Night dress is a must-have. It's a pattern that lets you showcase your crochet skills with elegance and grace. You can never go wrong with a good crochet wrap top, and the Lotus wrap proves exactly why. Whether you want something casual and comfy for everyday wear, or you're looking to dress things up for date night, this top gives you both. The ballet-inspired silhouette is flattering on every single body type, and it features a super wearable crisscross wrap shape that's worked top down using raglan construction. But what really elevates it is the delicate lotus trim along the sleeves and the bottom hem. Just the right amount of detail to make it feel romantic, polished, and totally handmade with style. This is one of those crochet garments that you'll keep reaching for. Whether you wear it with jeans, over a slip dress, or even layer it with a maxi skirt, the Lotus top is timeless, feminine, and effortlessly stylish. Now this next bag got a lot of hype on Instagram, and rightfully so. The Lulu basket bag is that rare combo of trendy, quick, and beginner friendly. And let's be honest, the color combos people have used to make this bag are absolutely stunning. From chic neutrals to bold brights, it looks good in literally everything. If you're looking for a mini crochet bag that turns heads, this is it. The Lulu basket bag is structured, stylish, and perfect for a night out. Whether you're headed to a holiday party, brunch with friends, or just want to feel a little bit more put together while running errands, this is the kind of accessory that people ask, wait, you made that? And with how fast it works up, you'll be tempted to make more than one, trust me. If you've been around for a while, you know me and my husband love to travel. In fact, we're looking to start a whole new YouTube channel where we share our adventures, cruise life included, so keep an eye out on my community tab for an announcement on that soon. But this pattern right here, the Portofino bag set, is giving exactly what I need for those travel days, especially on a cruise. Whether I'm lugging around my current crochet project or carrying around a water bottle so I'm not dying of thirst mid-excursion, this is that bag set. So that's my full roundup of 10 crochet and knit patterns by Two of Wands that I'm absolutely dying to make. Whether you're looking for your next wardrobe piece, a stylish bag, or a cozy wrap, Two of Wands has definitely designed something for every maker and every season. But now it's your turn to talk in the comments. Which one of these patterns would you make first? Are you team basket bag, team oversized cardigan, maybe the Queen of the Night maxi dress has your name all over it? And if you've already made any of Two of Wands patterns before, let me know that in the comments below. I love to hear your stories, and honestly, your feedback might help someone else decide what to try to make next. If you're as hyped as I am about this new Designer Spotlight series, let me know who you want to feature next. Drop their name or even a specific pattern in the comments below. Somebody already did that, and I'm working on a video as we speak. I've got a growing list of incredible designers in the crochet world, and I can't wait to shine a light on them. I'm especially looking to feature designers that I haven't personally made anything from yet, because if I'm being honest, when I show you one of my finished makes in a video, it's basically the same thing as the Designer Spotlight. So for this series, I want to introduce you to people that you may not have found in your own. That said, I had to kick things off with Two of Wands. She's a familiar face on this channel and truly one of the most iconic names in the modern crochet design world. But next time, expect someone new and maybe unexpected. If you enjoy this crochet pattern inspiration and want to see a more curated list, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That tells YouTube that you want to see more content like this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next Designer Spotlight or anything else that happens over here on She Tried It. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Happy making, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!